guys, good evening, good afternoon, depending on wherever you are viewing on my channel. This is once again that I'm coming before you to present a practical on my applied science channel college. Today we are going to learn on how to prepare a temporary slide using an onion. Before we start that practical, we need to have several requirements that can be able to enable us to effect the practical to be successful. First, we need to have the clean glass slide, cover slips, needle, scalpel, forceps, a pair of scissors, onions, a little bit of glycerin and methylene blue, or you can as well as use safrani or any other stain. Procedure: you take you are supposed to take an onion and cut it into two pieces, into two halves. Then from there, you peel out one of the fleshy leaves of an onion. We only need the inner lining of the onion that is called the epidermal layer. So we are going to do that. You take the onion, the full onion, it's here. Now we are going to cut it into two pieces. These are my two pieces of the onions. So now we are just interested with the inner epidermal layer. So I'm going to take one half so that I can cut it into quarter, because we are just interested in only a very small epidermal layer like that. So I'm peeling off. So with the help of the scalpel, and the forceps, we are going to remove the thin epidermal cells inside, like this. First of all, we cut here. Like that. Then we are going to use the forceps very carefully, and then we remove like that, like that, like that. So this is our epidermal layer of the cells that we are interested in. But before that, we are supposed to chop off, we are supposed to cut off. In this case, we don't have the scissors, but we are just going to use the scalpel so that it can as well as serve as a pair of scissors. You put it on a clean place like that, and then you chop it off. Like that. So we are going to transfer this. We need to do faster so that the cells are not supposed to dry up. So we are supposed to hurry up the process. So we are taking it, we are dipping it into the methylene blue on this watch glass. This is our methylene blue for quite some time, like that. So make sure it is properly dipped into the methylene blue like that, and it spreads. You spread it properly using the needle and the forceps. You leave it just like that. Then, after that, you are supposed to use a very clean microscope, the microscope slide. Very clean, it's supposed to be very clean so that you can have effective results. You put the glycerin here, it makes our cells, it will make our cells not to dry out very fast. To keep just the cell moist. The epidermal cell moist. So we are going to put 2 to 3 drops of the glycerin. 1, 2, 3. Right. So after we have done that, now we are going to remove our epidermal cells from the stain. Very gently using our forceps, like that. Make sure it is properly, it's supposed to display itself on the microscope slide like that. After you have done that, we are supposed to transfer this microscope, the cover slip, onto the slide, so that very gently, with the aid of the needle, very gently like that, and then we make sure it does not trap the air bubbles, because if it traps the air bubbles, these air bubbles will interfere with our preparation when we shall be observing it through what? With the observation unit, we shall be observing it through the microscope. So we must be very careful it does not trap air bubbles. And then you press gently like this, so that all the air bubbles are supposed to be removed. Then we transfer our slide onto the microscope stage. After we have transferred, then we are first going to observe it under low magnification. Low magnification, we observe the characteristics of the cells that are supposed to be observed under low magnification. We will outline them, and then after that, we shall also observe it under what? Under high magnification. So we have adjusted our microscope up to the sharp focus. Now the cells can be seen under low magnification through what? Low objective lens. Then, in our field of view, this is what is observed. This is the cell wall. The cell wall is observed. Then we have the nucleus, and also we can be able to see this cytoplasm. So and this nucleus under this low magnification of 10. The nucleus here appear dark blue, while the cytoplasm appear light blue in color. Light blue. While the nucleus appear dark blue. Therefore, our eyepiece lens, objective lens, is times 10, while the eyepiece lens is what? Times 10. So in this case, our magnification is going to be, our magnification is equals to the eyepiece lens times objective lens. Objective lens, which is going to be times 10 times 10. Total magnification is times 100 times. We have seen that under this low magnification, the cell has got these characteristics. The nucleus can be seen, and which is dark in color, dark blue in color, while the cytoplasm is light blue, and also the cell wall can be seen. So these are the characteristics under low magnification. So now we are going also to set the same microscope, but now we are going to change the objective lens. We see how the cells are seen under higher magnification. Let us make observations. Wow. So the cell appear like this. Under higher magnification, the cell appear like this. So, under higher magnification of times 45, magnification of the objective lens, magnification is magnification of the objective lens here. We are using times 45. So now, the characteristics of the cell here, less cell organelles are seen, though the number of cells that are seen under this field of view, they are less, and less organelles are seen when we view it under higher magnification. And the following are cells that are seen. The cell organelles that are seen are only the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. Here. Remember, even in the lower magnification, the nucleus is always at the periphery of the cells, which also at high magnification, the nucleus is still at the periphery of the cells. This is the nucleus. And then this is the cytoplasm. So, make sure you subscribe, you like, and share my channel. And my channel is called Applied Science College. Meet you next time in the next virtual class. See you later. Bye bye.